Hey friends, today I'm going to be removing this faucet. I'll show you how real quick. So first thing I want to do is disconnect the water line. So down we go under the sink here. For this we're going to need a wrench here. Crescent wrench is okay. I want to make sure that you turn your water things off. They might drip a little, so get a pan or a towel underneath. I removed everything from underneath my sink here, just in case, so you can turn those off. And we can run our faucet a little bit to try to get all the water out. When you unscrew these, probably a little bit of water is going to come out still. There we go. And we'll just unscrew these. Shouldn't be really too tight. You might actually need two bowls, so I'm going to get another one. Okay. Now that I got these loosened up, and usually you can probably just do it like about a quarter turn with this, and it should be able to loosen up the rest by hand. These usually aren't that tight. Boy, that one's really leaking. Alright. Okay, there we go. Still dripping pretty good there. That's alright. Okay, now we unscrew these. And these are just, actually these hoses just screw onto the bottom here. So I'm just untightening these with my hands. They don't have to be super tight. I just unscrew these. And there we go with that. That was easy. And then up underneath we have our other things. Okay, these are the bottom of the faucet here. And once again, should just be able to loosen these up with your hands, just like that. One. Come on, number two, don't fail me. Okay, that's tight. But no problem there, really. And then it should just come off the rest of the way. All right, that's done. Now we can pull out our faucet. Just like that. Super easy. If it's got stuff down here, you can just take that off. Okay, got some putty on there or something. And we're ready for our next faucet. And for this one, I'm actually going to be removing this little pop-up sink as well. Alrighty, here we go. What we'll do is just loosen this up. That's going to allow that to pull out of there. And there we are. Now we just need to loosen this one as well. So I have my wrench here, and we're just going to lock onto this pipe here. Gently enough so as not to crush it. And then we're just going to unscrew it now. There we go. Okay. There we are. Okay. So after much trials and tribulations there, I figured it out that I was doing it completely wrong, as usual. Okay, I thought it was screwed into the bottom of the sink there. and it turns out it wasn't. So just put my vice grips on here, right here, and then you can just hold the pipe and then unscrew it. Okay. Oh, good golly. Live and learn. I was wondering why. I was like, man, goodness, I can't get that guy out of there. That should not be the case. Okay. Okie dokie. We can just pull this out here. Perhaps. Should be just like a rubber seal there. And then push this up through the top, I think. Yeah. They can just come off of there. Okay. And pull that up through the top. Okay. And thanks for watching.